Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a digital nomad? To have a workspace that stretches as far as your imagination can reach? Welcome everyone to the Traveling Duet channel. In this video, we're going to tell you what it takes to become a digital nomad. Embarking on a digital nomad lifestyle is thrilling, yet it can be overwhelming to know where to start. So, we've spent a ton of time researching what it takes, and we're going to break it down for you in just 8 steps. Be sure to stick around until the end, where we included some tips especially for your digital nomad journey. Step 1. Determine if the digital nomad lifestyle is right for you. Are you drawn to the idea of being a digital nomad? Before diving in, let's lay some groundwork. While envisioning yourself working from a picturesque beach might sound idyllic, it's crucial to understand the reality. Transitioning to this lifestyle means embracing less predictability, routine, and relying more on yourself. Consider this. Your desire to travel may stem from vacation experiences, but being a digital nomad isn't a perpetual holiday. It requires resilience and adaptability beyond the confines of a typical 9-to-5 job. Take an honest look at your skills and capabilities as a digital nomad. Are you ready to exchange stability for adventure? Can you maintain productivity while on the move? Are you prepared to face challenges, such as securing reliable Wi-Fi in unfamiliar locations? Step 2. Assess your skills and experience. Now it's time to evaluate your skill set. As a digital nomad, you'll need to excel not only in your specific job role, but also in remote work practices. This involves managing tasks efficiently, meeting deadlines consistently, and effectively collaborating with a team dispersed across different time zones. To thrive in this environment, you'll need to go beyond merely completing tasks and strive for excellence in a decentralized workplace. Effective communication is essential, since you're not just down the hall. Every message carries weight. Additionally, being tech-savvy is crucial. You should be able to troubleshoot issues like a glitchy video call with the same ease as navigating a hotel check-in process. Step 3. Assess your financial situation. Curious about digital nomads' earnings? Transitioning to a digital nomad lifestyle demands a thorough financial analysis. Your digital nomad income must account for various factors, including whether you'll continue to cover housing expenses back home. It's crucial to itemize your expected costs, such as accommodation, meals, transportation, and reliable internet access. Identify the sources of your income and thoroughly evaluate the earning potential within your industry. Will you achieve a steady salary or rely on fluctuating freelance income? Calculate your monthly earnings and compare them against your projected expenses for nomadic living. Conduct thorough research to ensure your financial plan is robust and capable of sustaining you on your journey. Your budget should be grounded in realism rather than optimism, providing a solid financial foundation for your success as a digital nomad. Step 4. Choose your destination. While the idea of randomly selecting a destination might seem whimsical, it's not always the most practical approach when embarking on a nomadic lifestyle. While the world may serve as your office, not every location is conducive to productivity. Strike a balance between your wanderlust and practical considerations like Wi-Fi reliability, cost of living, and lifestyle preferences. Prioritize your destination by identifying what matters most to you. You have the autonomy to define your own digital nomad experience and set boundaries. Is it high-speed internet, affordability, or cultural immersion? Not every idyllic paradise offers robust connectivity, and not every urban landscape fits a modest budget. Consider the pros and cons of each potential destination, bustling city life or serene beachfront. Each has its allure and drawbacks. Additionally, remember that while spontaneity is exciting, legality is crucial. Before booking your flight, research visa requirements and digital nomad laws. Knowledge is your greatest asset. Familiarize yourself with digital nomad visas to prevent potential bureaucratic hurdles from dampening your adventure. Step 5. Develop your portfolio. In the digital nomad world, your portfolio serves as your global business card. representing you when face-to-face meetings aren't possible. It's crucial to curate a portfolio that showcases your best work rather than simply filling space. Select projects that demonstrate your expertise and align with your long-term career objectives. Quality reigns supreme over quantity. A few standout pieces can leave a stronger impression rather than a plethora of average work. If your portfolio appears sparse, consider supplementing it with freelance or personal projects that highlight your skills and work ethic. Keep your portfolio dynamic by regularly updating it as you gain more experience. Ensure that your most recent and impressive work receives the spotlight. Seeking feedback from a friend, colleague, or career mentor can provide valuable insights on how to enhance your portfolio further. Step 6. Expand your network. Your network serves as your lifeline in the digital nomad realm, often leading to lucrative job opportunities or avenues to enrich your professional connections by offering support to others. Actively participate in professional platforms like LinkedIn and join digital nomad communities where you can exchange insights and discover potential opportunities. By nurturing local connections before branching out globally, attend meetups, workshops, and conferences relevant to your field whenever possible. Even if you're in a remote location, make an effort to seek out nearby co-working spaces or networking events. The objective is to establish a support system that mirrors the mobility of your lifestyle. Embrace the power of virtual interactions, such as virtual coffees or skill exchanges. Collaborating or sharing expertise with fellow nomads can unlock invaluable resources and knowledge for your journey. Remember, authentic relationships form the foundation of robust networks, transcending mere transactional interactions. Step 7. Streamline and simplify your lifestyle. Embracing the digital nomad lifestyle often entails embracing simplicity. Begin by decluttering, both digitally and physically. Pare down your belongings to the essentials, focusing on what you genuinely need for a productive and comfortable life on the move. Prioritize nimbleness, opting for a capsule wardrobe, a lightweight tech setup, and a cloud-based solution for your documents and work. In the unpredictable landscape of nomadic life, preparedness is key. Political unrest, natural disasters, job changes, or health issues may necessitate sudden relocation. Every item in your suitcase should serve a purpose. Apply this principle to your digital life as well. Organize your files, streamline your apps, and ensure your digital tools enhance your mobility rather than impede it. Remember, simplifying isn't about deprivation, it's about creating space for new experiences and adventures. With a lean lifestyle, you embody the essence of a tech nomad, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your work and the world around you. Step 8. Explore companies and apply strategically. Kickstart your job hunt with a well-defined plan. Focus on companies that not only permit remote work, but embrace it. Seek out organizations with a distributed workforce and a culture that resonates with your nomadic lifestyle. These environments offer the ideal setting for your professional growth. Direct your search efforts by utilizing job boards tailored to remote opportunities. Additionally, leverage networks that appreciate the nomadic lifestyle. Explore featured employer lists to kickstart your research. Tailor your resume to emphasize your capacity for independent work and proficiency in digital collaboration tools. Illustrate how your diverse experiences can enrich a global team. Craft your cover letter to highlight qualities such as adaptability, cross-cultural communication skills, and a demonstrated history of remote productivity. This personalized approach enhances your chances of standing out amidst the competition. Now, for those tips we promised, pack your bags, but not too much. As a digital nomad, you'll want to travel light and avoid being weighed down by unnecessary possessions. Here are some tips for packing smart. Invest in quality, multi-purpose items like quick-drying clothes, universal power adapters, and a reliable backpack or carry-on suitcase. Stick to a minimalist wardrobe with items that can be mixed and matched. Downsize your tech kit to essentials like a laptop, smartphone, portable charger, and noise-canceling headphones. Embrace digital alternatives for documents, books, and entertainment to reduce physical clutter. Pack a basic toiletry kit with travel-sized items and any necessary medications. Leave sentimental items at home to avoid loss or damage during transit. Packing light not only makes navigating new destinations easier, but it also symbolizes your commitment to a nomadic lifestyle focused on experiences over material possessions. The digital nomad journey is a rewarding and transformative experience, but it's not without its challenges. By following these steps, you'll be better prepared to embark on this exciting path with confidence and resilience. Remember, the road ahead may be unpredictable, but that's part of the thrill. Embrace the unknown, stay adaptable, and let your sense of adventure guide you. The beauty of being a digital nomad lies in the freedom to craft your own unique story, one enriched by the diverse cultures, landscapes, and connections you'll encounter along the way. So, what are you waiting for? The world is your office, and the possibilities are endless. Take the leap and let your nomadic journey begin.